I picked up the Fiido Titan, Fiido's fat tire e-bike. It was on sale, so I decided to give it a try since I was already looking for a new e-bike. The ordering process was smooth and the bike arrived about a week later. One thing I definitely recommend is unpacking the bike with two people. The Titan itself weighs around 38 kilograms and the box around 40. So having an extra pair of hands makes getting it out of the box much easier. As you can see, the packaging is excellent. Every component is wrapped in protective foam and secured really well, so nothing moves around during shipping. Inside the box, apart from the bike itself, you'll find a toolbox that includes battery and all the tools you need to finish the assembly. The bike arrives almost fully assembled. You'll only need to install a few parts like the handlebars and the front wheel, which is pretty standard for bikes ordered online. Now, I won't be showing you the full assembly in this video because Fiido already has an excellent step-by-step tutorial on their official YouTube channel. I actually found that much easier to follow than the printed instruction manual. And now it's time to see what the Fiido Titan is really capable of. I'll be putting it through plenty of real-world testing, so stay tuned for the full review coming soon.